Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you of how to put page numbers on your document, and having the document maybe starting having the first pages, the first sections of the documents, the acknowledgements, the abstract, the type of contents, and all. So don't mind about the type of contents. I'll correct it later. I'll actually make another video correcting it. Having what you call having the number starting at chapter 1, like chapter 1 starting at number 1. So I'm gonna show you how to number, how to number these pages. Okay, so as you can tell, there are no numbers here, but I have to have this one starting at number 1 and having the what you call the other pages, the other pages from from the top, starting maybe with Roman numerals and all. So I'll start here. How do you go about it? It's very easy. You come here in chapter 1 and you place your cursor here. So this is what you call a cursor. So you place your cursor here and you come to the home tab like this. Then you come to the page layout section. Then you come to breaks right here. Then you create a break using this section here titled next page. Okay, like this. So you create a break first. That's the first step that you're supposed to do. Then upon doing that, you now come here on insert. Then you say page number, then you select probably the format, page format, the format of numbers. Then we want our numbers to start at 1, so you say start at 1 like this. So if you want it to start with your remaining numerals, you can as well like just change the format of page numbers like here. That's where you choose. If you want them to be in alphabetical order, you just place them here, but we want ours to start with page number 1. Okay, like this. So we say page number 1, then you say okay, right? Then upon saying this, you then come here, so you come back here on page number. Then you choose of where you want the numbers to be at. Then you choose for mine, I like them to be in plain number 2. That's the middle of the page, right? So on plain number 2 like this. So as you can tell, I now have my page number 1 starting here. Number 1 is now in the middle. Then at the same time, right. So this is how you go about it. Then you go here on link to previous. You click link to previous. Then you disable link to previous. So link previous is linking you to the previous pages that you gave. Like I'm sure as you've noticed, we had what you call the section break here. They start. Then the link to previous now is the link to the previous pages. That's the pages on top of chapter 1. So you don't need to have the link to the previous. So you have to set it link. You have to disable link to previous. Then you close the header like this. So this is how you go about it. So as you can now tell, our pages are now starting at number 1. That's on chapter 1. Number 1 here. Number 1 here. Going number 2, number 3. Going downwards. Okay, so this is how we go about it. It's very easy. It's very easy. So if you come back now to the other section, sometimes you might find these pages having numbers, like the number, the what you call the pages above the document, but we don't need numbers there now. So what you do is you come here and you just highlight this by tapping the cursor here, then you delete like this. Then from there you can tell we no longer have numbers above. Okay, so this is how we go about it. It's very easy. So we now choose if you want to have what you call, if you now need to have Roman numerals here, or if you just want to leave the document like this. It's all now up to you, but at least this is how you go about it. If you just want to put Roman numerals, actually do the same process. First and foremost, you create a section break. You come to the next page, that's the immediate page that is there. So for example here, you come and you maybe just type maybe we're supposed to be having a subheading. Let's say this is our subheading. You just come and place your cursor here at the first page of this page, right? Then you come back again, just repeating almost the same process that you just did. You come here and insert what you call on page layout, page layout. You create break, right? So you create breaks, right? Then you go to next page like this. Next page. Upon doing this, you now come here on insert, then you insert page number. Then upon inserting page number, you come here the format of the page number. We now need this to start with Roman numerals, so it means that you're starting with number 1 with Roman numerals. Start with number 1 Roman numerals. Then you come back again here on page number. Then you choose of where you want these Roman numerals to be at. Then you choose plane number 2, right? Plane number 2. Then plane number 2, as you can tell, is now starting with number 1. But at the same time, we don't also want the link with the previous page, right? Which is the cover page. So you come here and say disable the link to previous, right? Then you disable the link to previous like this. Then you close the header like this. So as you can now tell, we now have number 1 here on this page. This is number 1 here on this. Of course, this was a fake this was just a fake page. The page was a subtitle. Just delete it like this. But if you go on the cover page, it's still this number, so you just come back and click it again like this. You put your cursor there, then you delete it. If you delete it, you see we no longer have a page number here on the cover page, which is the cover page here. No longer have the cover page. Then our number 1 is now starting on the following page, which is the blank page that I've just left here because of the requirements of the university. They want us to leave the blank page here. Then if you now come here on this page where I've placed what's called the proof of what to call the proof that I've been given the permission to the proof of permission to undertake my research before, where I was actually undertaking my research. You now come here, you can see that this is where the number 2 is not starting. This is there just because of the requirements of the university. So this is how you go about it in terms of what you call in terms of placing Roman numerals, differentiating Roman numerals from the cover page and having number 1 starting at chapter 1. This is how we go about it. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you off on how to do the table of contents, because I think most of the people, they actually they find it hard to make table of contents. And also I'm gonna make another video showing you off of how to make it of contents. This one is just it's not the final table of contents. Of course, I would have to put some other things there, so I'll show you off in my next video. Thank you for that. Follow, like, and subscribe to my page. Thank you so much. Cheers.